Hello my Wolfpack friends, T-Wolf here, and for this video I am showcasing the specials available to pick from for the Wolf Clan tier for the $50 hunt live streams that happen on Sunday nights at 7:30 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to start off with number 35. Alright, number 35 starts off with one blue bag pull, it also comes with a 2010 S silver proof Roosevelt dime, alright, and it comes with the 5-ounce Stockdale stackable silver round. And again, that's number 35. Alright, for number 42, we are starting off with one purple bag pull, and it comes with the 2009 S silver proof Kennedy $50. And it comes with the 5-ounce Walking Liberty Design silver bar. And again, that's number 42. All right, number 52 is going to go ahead and start us off with one purple bag pull, a 20-gram silver bar, a silver mint, it also comes with the 2006 S silver proof Kennedy $50. All right, and it also comes with the 1986 S Statue of Liberty commemorative silver proof dollar, and it also comes with the 1/2 ounce 2020 Cook Islands $2 a tribute to the American Double Eagle. Oh, they got the Queen on the bill. And finally, it comes with the 2.5 ounce 2017 Samoa Islands $5 Formula One. And again, that's number 52. And finally, for number 62, we are starting off with one blue bag pull, and it comes with the, see if I can pull this out of there, and it comes with the 5-ounce 2017 Chad 300 francs CFA Queen Nefertiti. All right, and again, that is number 62. So here are our specials to choose from for the Wolf Clan tier for the $50 hunt live streams that happen on Sunday nights at 7:30 p.m. Eastern. So thank you all for watching, and hopefully I'll see you all during one of the live streams.